Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So we can go ahead and get into this look. I already did my eyebrows. I'm gonna prime my eyes with my Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer, my AB8 setting powder, and Deep Peach. Now I'm using my United Peachy Nudes palette by Root Cosmetics. I'm going to take that color right there and put that in my crease. Take that shade right there in the same palette and use it to blend out the color that I put down. Okay y'all, now I'm using this shade right here and put that down on my lids. I use some NYX glitter primer first because the shade does have a little bit of glitter. Now I'm going to go to my BH Cosmetics Lost in Los Angeles palette, and I'm going to take that shade and put it right underneath my eyes. Now for my eyeliner, I'm going to use my Maven Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my AOA Studio Lash Glue and my Ioni Lashes. And I'm using my Essence Mascara and I also use my Sephora Eye Contour Pencil. Make sure no gaps are showing. And now for my face, I'm using my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. I already moisturized my face. to correct the dark spots on my face, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Now for foundation, I've used the Juvia's Place Iron Matching Foundation 350 Somalia, I believe. And I mixed it with the Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation 368 Deep Golden. Now I'm going to use my Camo Concealer in Deep Cinnamon for some more coverage. I'm going to use my Essence Keep Me Covered Concealer again and use that to highlight. While it's sitting, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark and use that first shade for my jawline and also for my nose contour, and the other shade for my the other areas of my face to bronze. I'm using my AB8 setting powder again to just set where I blended out that concealer that I had down. Now for my all over face powder, I'm using Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 440. And I'm going to use a mixture of those two shades right there. I'm going to use that as blush, but it's going to be a fail, so I'm just going to go on with my Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette and use the pink shade out of there. Now I'm going to use my AB8 highlighter in Peach Fizz. And I'm going to use my NYX lip liner. I forgot the shade, and also NYX lipstick as well. But I'll put everything in the description box. And set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the springtime makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Comment, like, share, all that good stuff. Everything I use, as well as my social media handles, be listed in the description box. I'll see you all in the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.